In this video, we'll take a look at the Chat with Ella feature. When you click the speech bubble icon, Ella's chat is enabled. This is where you can think through a challenge more deeply, explore strategies, and create visual supports that help you deal with what's happening in the moment. To get started, type a challenge or topic into the text box. For example, maybe your kid or student starting to show aggression toward peers. Once you enter that, Ella will ask a few follow-up questions to better understand what's going on. You can keep chatting until it feels like Ella has the full picture. Now Ella will just take a moment to generate some strategies and resources. Ella provides you the guidance overview that dives deeper into what's happening, talks about the behavior that's at hand, and how to help. Let's take a look at some of the options here. With each strategy, Ella also provides visual supports that accompany it. By pressing preview, you're able to see the draft outline and make any tweaks that you need to tailor it to your specific situation. And just like any other visual support that you would create with Ella, all you do is choose a character, choose a visual style, and press create. If you'd like to give all the different strategies a go, what you can do is generate all the resources at once. And while those are creating, you can open the attached guidance, which covers why the strategy works, steps you can take to support your kid or student, early warning signs to watch for before escalation, and how to respond in the moment, among much more information. Each guidance overview is unique because it's built around your specific situation and is a direct response of the chat that you had with Ella and how you answered all Ella's prompts. And just like visual supports, you can translate this document, you can turn it into PDF, you can print it, or you can share it with one click of a button. And if you exit that and go back to the main page with all your strategies, you'll be able to see all the supports that you've generated. And the convenient part is that all of these will be saved in a bundle underneath this topic for you, so that you can revisit anytime that you need. And you can always access them through your library. If you're faced with a behavior issue or anything that you need help with, just chat with Ella.